120 words per minute. Get ready. Start. We have examined the submission of Learned Council for parties and gone through the record. Stop. Admittedly, in the present case, the DPC was convened for the post of chief engineer within bracket level second bracket close on 5/12/2017, recommending the name of 9 superintending engineers. Stop. All the recommended employees either have been promoted or have attained the age of superannuation in due course, except the petitioner, whose recommendation has been withheld and is being treated to be kept in sealed envelope in the garb of government order dated 28/5/1997 on account of the fact that certain discrepancies committed by the petitioner during the period of 2013 to 2016 came into light after recommendation of the DPC. Stop. Therefore, a decision was taken on 11/5/2018 to initiate disciplinary proceedings against the petitioner, and the charge sheet has also been issued on 11/5/2018. Stop. Para. Dealing with certain issues regarding promotion oblique non-promotion of an employee on the next higher post in the case of pendency or initiation of disciplinary or criminal proceeding, Honorable Apex Court in the case of Union of India versus KV Janki Raman, AIR 1991 SC 2010, has inter alia held that in case of pendency of criminal prosecution, the sealed cover procedure is to be resorted to. Stop. The apex court has approved the conclusions arrived at in the said case by the full bench of Central Administrative Tribunal, wherein it was inter alia held that consideration for promotion, selection grade is, crossing the efficiency bar or higher scale of pay cannot be withheld merely on the ground of pendency of disciplinary or criminal proceedings against an official. Stop. Relevant paragraph 6 of the aforesaid judgment is quoted here in below. Stop. Para. On the first question, which, as to when for the purpose of the sealed cover procedure the disciplinary oblique criminal proceedings can be said to have commenced, the full bench of the tribunal has held that it is only when a charge memo in a disciplinary proceedings or a charge sheet in a criminal prosecution is issued to the employee that it can be said that the departmental proceedings oblique criminal prosecution is initiated against the employee. Stop. The sealed cover procedure is to be resorted to only after the charge memo oblique charge sheet is issued. Stop. The pendency of preliminary investigation prior to that stage will not be sufficient to enable the authorities to adopt the sealed cover procedure. Stop. We are in agreement with the tribunal on this point. Stop. The contention advanced by the learned counsel for the appellant authorities that when there are serious allegations and it takes time to collect necessary evidence to prepare and issue charge memo oblique charge sheet, it would not be in the interest of the purity of administration to reward the employee with a promotion, increment, etc. does not impress us. Stop. The acceptance of this contention would result in injustice to the employees in many cases. Stop. As has been the experience so far, the preliminary investigation take an inordinately long time, and particularly when they are initiated at the instance of the interested persons, they are kept pending deliberately. Stop. Many times they never result in the issue of any charge memo oblique charge sheet. Stop. If the allegations are serious and the authorities are keen in investigating them, ordinarily it should not take much time to collect the relevant evidence and finalize the charges. Stop. What is further, if the charges are that serious, the authorities have the power to suspend the employee under the relevant rules, and the suspension by itself permits a resort to the sealed cover procedure. Stop. The authorities thus are not without a remedy. Stop. It was then contended on behalf of the authorities that conclusion numbers 1 and 4 of the full bench of the tribunal are inconsistent with each other. Stop. Those conclusions are as follows. Stop.